Hi guys, welcome back to my channel SkillSet Academy. I am Arif Anish, and today the we are going to configure our vSmart and vBond, and this is the lab 2, right? So guys, if you are new to this video and you haven't watched my videos earlier videos, please go to my description box of this uh, video and you will get the playlist of all the videos. Please watch all those videos and you will get the broader picture of the SD-WAN, and then come back to this video, right? So that you will get more benefit of these videos, right? So thank you guys, and please like, comment and subscribe my videos, right? So today we are going to configure this vSmart and vBond, right? Earlier video we configured the manager and we take graphical user interface, right? So now we are going to configure this vSmart and vBond, and it's as the vManage, we will have same configuration. So first we will configure system, then we will configure VPN 0, and third we will configure MGMT, which is VPN 512, right? Then under VPN 0, under system, what we will configure our site 10 system IP, and then organization name, right? Organization name, very important organization name, right? And then we will configure vBond IP, then configure will block time zone, and then will commit, right? And then under VPN 0, we will configure interface, right? In our case, would be Ethernet 1, and we assign IP, right? And then we will configure tunnel interface, okay? And in under VPN 0, 512, we will configure IP address, okay? So let's start vSmart. So here is the vSmart IP. Hope you all are watching screens in this screen, right? So default password is admin. Okay, so system is initializing. So you will get the message the system is ready. Okay, then we have we will configure. Okay, so this is the vBond. Okay, so again system is initializing. It will take some time, right? So let's uh, move the configurations part, right? So we have the VPN 0 in Ethernet 1 is VPN 0 and Ethernet 0 is management interface, and vBond, the IP of vSmart is 203.1.1.3, and 2031.1.4 would be vBond IP, right? So and 172.172.13, let me put my manage 172.31.1.0/24 is my MGMT IP, right? Management MGMT. Okay. There is the management. Okay. So let's see. So see, we get the system ready message, and now we logged in by default password admin and user and password admin, and it will ask to change the password, and we are going to change the password, right? So password has been changed. Show run. So there is no configuration in system. There is no configuration in VPN 0, right? And you can see the OMP, and OMP is no shutdown, right? And graceful restart. We will talk about filter route. Okay. We'll talk about graceful restart. Okay. So what is OMP? If you don't know, please watch my previous video and you will have the proper informations about OMP, how OMP is what message is going to share between the controller and edge routers, right? What is the similarities between OMP and BGPs, all will be all covered in previous video, right? So let's move on to configuration part. So configuration terminal, and we will go with system, right? In system, we type our site ID 10 and system IP 1.1.1.3 because is when IP is 3. Okay, for simplicity, for easy to understand, I use the last octet of the IP as a system IP. Okay, and this organization name, right? Organization name Prisma for my lab, and vBond IP would be 203.1.1.4, and clock time zone Asia and Dhaka for my lab commit. Okay, so commit is done, and if you want to show the configuration of system, show run system, you will have the configuration system. Okay, so let's change the host name, right? So here is the configuration. So to change the host name, again go to the smart system host name. So V will be small and S will be capital. Smart, and I have to commit to apply these changes and see the change has been applied. Okay, now come to VPN 0 part, right? It's a transport VPN, and I have to remove, let's see, show interface tab. I have to remove one interface. See, in VPN 0 we have both interface, right? 0 and 1. So 0 is for management VPN, 1 for VPN 0 in my design, right? So let's move config terminal, VPN 0. Sorry guys, VPN 0, no interface, Ethernet 0. And then we will go with Ethernet 1, interface Ethernet 1, IP address 2031.1.3/29, no shut, right? And one, okay, let's configure tunnel interface, allow service all, right? Allow service SSH, the allow service netcon. We have to enable netcon because the manager will use this netcon to push the configuration, right? Allow service netcon, color, no need to assign color. Okay, and go commit. So that configuration has been changed. Okay, okay, so let's configure IP route, default route, right? And the default route gateway would be 1. And here is the commit. Okay, now jump into management VPN. Interface would be Ethernet 0 in my lab, and IP address would be 172.31.41. Okay, /24. Okay, no shut, and IP route 0.0.0/0, and gateway would be 54 in my case, right? Commit. So if you want to see the all configuration, you just simply run show run. Here is the system configuration, right? Here is the VPN 0 configuration, right? And route. Here is the management interface configuration. Okay, let's move on vBond and type admin and set password, confirm password. Here we go, and we can see this is the VH, right? Earlier we discussed about it. So let me go to see show status. So system status, it will give you the all informations and come to this personality. It's VH and the model is VH Cloud. So this is the virtual router, right? And we discussed in first lab videos, right? So the mode, we manage mode, commit, all are discussed in first lab video. And if you haven't watched this video, you will get this video in I button in here, right? And or you will have video in this link description on this video, right? So please watch that videos and come to this second video, right? So this the VH router, and we use this VH router OS as the vBond, right? So we change this personality with one command, which will be vBond local command. Okay, so we'll see in here. So let's move to this configurations, config terminal and system configuration, same as vSmart and VH and vManage. Same configuration can be done in system. So site will be 10 as it's resides in 10 site. System would be 1.1.1.4, and organization name is Prisma, and vBond IP would be his own IP, right? VPN 0 IP. But we have to tell this router you will act as a vBond. You will not act as a normal router, right? So we can type this local keyword. Local device is vBond, right? So if we add this local, so this device will act as a vBond. And if we want to put the port number, custom port number, we can type this port number here, right? And if we want to use this vBond as a JTP server, so we have to type JTP server, right? If we want JTP server, we have to type JTP server, but we will be using this router as a vBond, so we will add local keyword, right? And clock time zone, Asia in my case, and commit. So the commit has been changed. Now come to this VPN 0 and interface would be GE0 in my case, right? You can see GE0 as is the router, right? So this image is different from this vSmart and vManage. So the interface naming convention is changed. So the Ethernet 0 would be management and GE0 would be on my VPN 0. Okay. So let's come interface 0, no shutdown, IP address would be 2031.1.4/29 and tunnel interface allow service all. So in lab, I'm allowing all service, but in production environment, you can allow whatever the permissions from your management, right? And allow service netcon, we have to enable netcon and allow service SSH, we have to enable SSH exit and I have to assign route /0 and IP would be 0.1.1.1 and commit to change them. So I'm not assigning VPN 0, okay, assign. So VPN 512, okay, and interface Ethernet 0, IP address would be 172.31.42/24, no shut and one step back, IP route 0.0.0.0 and gateway would be 254. Commit and quit. Okay, let me change the host name. So to change host name, we have to log into system and type host name vBond and put commit. So the configuration has changed, right? Show running configurations. So we can see the changes, right? So here is the configurations. Okay, all configurations. So now we configured our all controllers, right? And now we will add the, okay, in next video we will add the controller to this vBond. Okay, so thank you guys for your time. Thanks for watching, and if you are getting interest this content, please like and comment and share, right, to help to grow this channel, right? My humble request to all of you, please like, comment and subscribe, and those who are not watched all videos, please go to this description box and you will get the playlist, and please go through all these videos and you will have the proper understanding of SD-WAN. And we will cover in next video, we will add the controllers to this vManage, right? To this vManage, and we will assign the certificate, right? CA, we will configure CA server and we will assign the CA servers all controllers, right? So thank you guys again.